Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Please introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Gurleen Kaur. I have done my BA LLB from Guru Nanak Dev University, Amritsar. I have completed my LLM this year only, and the results are yet to be announced.
What was the topic of your dissertation?
Obscenity laws.
Obscenity in law.
Yes, sir.
Okay, have you heard of Hicklin's test?
Yes, sir.
Is Hicklin's test applicable to Indian law?
Sir, earlier it was applicable. Now the community standard test is applicable.
Which judgment gave the community standard test?
Sorry, sir. I'm not aware of the judgment.
Okay, no must do it because that's a landmark judgment.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Today, hobbies ਕੀ ਨੇ?
Sir, art and crafts and cooking.
Art and crafts ਕੀ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੋ?
Painting, sir.
ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ? Natural,
ਹਾਂਜੀ, sir.
oil color,
Color.
Which?
oil,
No, sir. Simple colors.
What are
simple ਕਿਹੜੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ?
water?
Sir, crayon colors.
Crayon.
Yes.
ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਵਾਲੇ?
Sir, these are not meant for children only.
ਅੱਛਾ। ਇਹ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਸਕੈਚ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੋ?
Sorry, sir.
ਸਕੈਚ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ?
Yes, sir. With pencil first of all.
ਨਹੀਂ, ਕਿਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦਾ? ਕੋਈ ਨੈਚੁਰਲ
It could be natural. It could be any person also.
ਸਕੈਚ ਵੀ ਬਣਾ
Yes,
ਦਿੰਦੇ
sir.
ਹੋ? ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਣਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਸਕੈਚ?
Yes, sir.
ਕਿੰਨੀ ਦੇਰ ਚ?
Sir, within a day.
ਇੱਕ ਕਿ ਦਿਨ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ
Yes,
ਸਕੈਚ
sir.
ਵਾਸਤੇ? ਸਕੈਚ ਆਰਟਿਸਟ ਤਾਂ 15 ਮਿੰਟ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਆ।
Sir, they are the experts.
You are also a sketch artist? In
Sir,
your
I'll
own way.
try my best to complete it as soon as possible.
ਸਕੂਲ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਸਕੂਲਿੰਗ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ?
Sir, Jalalabad Pension Senior Secondary School.
ਜਲਾਲਾਬਾਦ?
Yes, sir. Fazilka district.
10+2 ਤੱਕ ਉੱਥੇ ਪੜ੍ਹੇ ਹੋ?
Yes, sir.
ਜਲਾਲਾਬਾਦ is known for?
Sir, for rice exporting area and for its industrial area.
Which quality of rice is imported?
Sir, basmati and simple rice.
Jalalabad is now subdivision
Yes, sir.
of?
District Fazilka.
Who is SDM Jalalabad?
Sorry, sir. I'm not aware of the name.
You don't reside there?
Sir, I am a resident of Jalalabad, but since past 5 years, I am living in Guru Nanak Dev University hostel only.
ਉੱਥੋਂ ਦੇ ਕੌਣ ਨੇ ਵਾਈਸ ਚਾਂਸਲਰ?
Dr. Jaspal Singh Sandhu.
ਸਤੀ ਪ੍ਰਥਾ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀਗੀ,
Yes, sir.
ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ?
Sir, Sati Pratha was a custom wherein if the husband had died, then the wife was compelled to die with the pair of the husband.
Was it abolished?
Yes, sir.
By whom?
Dr. William Bentinck.
Is it still abolished?
It is still being violated. It is an offence now?
Yes, sir.
Under which
Under
law?
Sati Prohibition Act.
ਹੁਣ ਜੇ ਕੋਈ ਸਤੀ ਹੋਣ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਸ ਕੌਂਗਰੀਗੇਸ਼ਨ 'ਚ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਚਾਂਟਿੰਗ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਸਤੀ ਅਮਰ ਰਹੇ, ਇਹ ਰਹੇ, ਉਹ ਰਹੇ, ਤੇ ਪੰਡਤ ਜੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, what offence they are committing?
Sir, they are doing abetment, and it was declared in the case of Queen versus Mohit Pandey.
ਅਬੈਟਮੈਂਟ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਰਦਾ ਉਹਦੀ ਪਨਿਸ਼ਮੈਂਟ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ? ਇੱਕ ਤਾਂ ਮੇਨ ਅਫੈਂਸ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ,
ਹਾਂਜੀ,
ਇੱਕ ਅਬੈਟਮੈਂਟ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ. Is punishment for main criminal and abetter different?
So the punishment of abetment has been dealt differently under the sections of the Indian Penal Code. If the offence has been completed, then the same punishment is awarded. If the offence is not completed, then the punishment is awarded under 100 section 15 and 100 section 16 of the Indian Penal Code.
What happens if an additional offence is committed? I had abetted that you should commit grievous hurt, but while committing grievous hurt, death is also caused. Then how will you charge that person?
Sir, if the natural consequences are known to the abettor and those as
They were not
abetted,
known.
sir, then under section 115, the both punishments will be awarded.
Under 115, then what can be about the second? एक तो होता है you are known, it was known to you.
Yes, sir.
112. But what happens if it is a probable consequence?
Under section 111, it will be covered.
Okay.
And the punishment will be
For murder, ਜੇ ਡੈਥ ਹੋ ਜਾਏ?
death, sir, murder.
ਇੱਕ ਤੁਸੀਂ 82 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਨਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਕਲਾਮੇਸ਼ਨ
Yes, sir.
CRPC 'ਚ,
Yes, sir.
ਹਰ ਅਕਿਊਜ਼ ਦੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਪਰਟੀਕੂਲਰ ਅਫੈਂਸਿਸ ਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ?
Sir, proclamation is issued if the after the issue of the summons and warrants, the person who has been issued, doesn't come, and in some cases the proclaimed offender is announced. That is in a serious cases.
There may be proclaimed offender, there may be proclaimed person.
Yes, sir.
If you are proclaimed offender, is that itself a separate offence?
Under section 174A of IPC.
Separate offence.
Yes, sir.
What is a multifarious suit?
So multifarious suits means when there is a misjoinder of parties as well as misjoinder of causes of action.
Okay. Now, if there is a misjoinder of parties and misjoinder of causes of action, will a decree be set aside?
Sir, if there is a non-impleadment of a necessary party.
No. I'm saying there is a misjoinder of a party.
Extra नहीं cut.
No, sir, it will not
Extra
be.
parties ने lesser नहीं हैगियां.
It will not be set aside as provided in section 99 of CPC.
Okay.
Unless and until there is a failure of justice.
Okay. Now, suppose A is following a person, Z. Z drops his purse.
Yes, sir.
A picks it up and runs away.
Okay, sir.
What offence has he committed?
Sir, if his initial intention was
I don't
dishonest.
know. I'm just saying that you are
Intention
following.
has to be inferred from the conduct.
Inferred. You have to infer. You are a judge.
Sir, can you please repeat
I
the
repeat.
facts?
A was following Z. Z dropped his purse. A picked up the purse and ran away with it.
Following, running.
It will
These
be
are
theft.
the two qualifying things.
It will be covered under the theft.
Theft. Okay.
Yes.
Why
His
not?
intention from the very beginning was mischievous.
Yes. It was a disintention from the inception.
Follow a person means with some purpose.
Yes, sir.
Sir doesn't say coming behind. Difference, है ना?
Why is it not criminal misappropriation?
So because in criminal misappropriation, the initial intention is innocent and the dishonest intention formulates
Mentally
later
develops
on.
later on.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the relevancy of good character in Indian Evidence Act?
So relevancy of good character differs in civil cases and in criminal cases. In civil cases, the previous good character is not relevant. Whereas
In every civil case?
sorry, sir?
In every civil case?
Yes, sir. Except
is
in the
there an
cases
exception?
of damages, where
Yes.
damages are to be assessed
Right, that's an
as
exception.
provided in section 55 of Indian Evidence
Okay,
Act.
very good. Okay. There is a lot of clamor that there should be no death penalty in India.
Yes,
What
sir.
are your views on according of death penalty?
Sir, as said by Honorable Supreme Court, death penalty is necessary in the rarest of rare cases to maintain the
Should it
public
be
order.
abolished?
We are
Most of the
not
fun.
asking view of the Supreme Court. Your personal view.
Yes.
So in my personal opinion, death penalty must be there to prevent some grievous offences where there are rarest of
Do you
rare
think
cases.
death penalty has been a deterrent?
So it is not a deterrent, but it is necessary evil so as to maintain the public order
But
in
a
a
lot of
society.
all the forward countries, all the Western countries have abolished death penalty.
ये वैसे बंद क्यों करना चाहते हैं?
So because it is argued that it is against the right to life under Article 21 of the Constitution.
नहीं कई ऐसे केस हो या innocent बंदे hang करते
Yes.
वो irreversible हो जाता है. Supposing some innocent person is hanged, then
Okay,
purpose
sir.
of justice is defeated.
Okay, sir.
If one is sent to life imprisonment and later on it transpires कि he is innocent, he can be left with compensation. But if we take life of a person, that will be irretrievable.
Irretrievable.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank you.
you know, if you have if Parliament changes the boundaries of a state, it reduces
sir.
the boundary of a state.
Yes, sir.
Does it need an amendment of the Constitution for that?
No, sir. Under Article 4 of the Constitution, it is provided. It will be by simple majority and no constitution.
What is that called? If the change is there by a simple majority, is it deemed to be an amendment of the Constitution?
No, sir.
Then what it will be?
It will be simple by amending the sorry, sir. It will not be an amendment of the Constitution. It will be by simple majority of the.
It's an inbuilt clause of the article.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Executive power आ गई.
Sorry, sir.
Executive power. Legislate तक किता नहीं.
Is it an
Executive power च आ गया.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. How many times has the Constitution been amended till now?
103.
And 305.
What is the last amendment?
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall.
105.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any amendment regarding economically weaker sections?
103, third amendment.
Okay,
Sir.
what was that? What did that say?
Sir, it was held that there will be a horizontal reservation for the EWS.
What is the concept of EWS?
Sir, EWS, the person whose annual income is less than, sir, I'm not able to recall the exact amount.
8
It
lakhs?
is 8 lakh,
annually.
and there is some amount of property also that will be considered while.
You know, there was a case in which the Supreme Court had laid down the concept of creamy layer.
Yes, sir.
Are you aware of that case?
Indira Sahni case.
Okay. Now, Indira Sahni, there were two cases.
Yes, sir.
Now, has the creamy layer concept been implemented by the Parliament or the Executive till now?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, because of the
Vote
reservation.
bank.
Exactly.
Vote bank.
Answer is correct. Absolutely. Okay. Don't you think that such things, when the Supreme Court has clearly ordained not once but twice and in many other judgments, if the legislature does not follow the guidelines laid down by Supreme Court, then what is the way out?
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall.
Okay. Yeah, well, suppose, can you put any PILs on this matter?
Maybe, sir. I'm not sure of this.
Achha, okay. Fine. And your questions?
How a plebiscite is different from a referendum?
Sorry, ma'am, I'm not.
45. Yes.
What is CIF contract?
Terrific.
CIF contract in freight.
Cost insurance rate?
So, ma'am, wherein the while the contract is entered into, we have to pay the insurance amount as well as the amount that is to be required for the travel or.
Have you ever heard about plebiscite or referendum?
Yes, ma'am.
In what context?
Ma'am, I'm not able to as of now recall.
And what is the evidentiary value of an ossification test?
Ma'am, ossification test can be used as only as a opinion evidence. It can be used only as a supportive evidence, and it cannot be used as a substantive piece of evidence because it may vary 1 or 2 years.
Very good. You are outstanding, Gurleen. I mean, where have you done your, where did you say, did
Sir,
you
from
law?
yours. Guru Nanak Dev University.
Have you taken any special coaching from anywhere?
Sir, from you only.
Hey? Oh, I'm so sorry, I didn't. But you are
ਗੋਲੜੀ
out.
ਦਾ ਲਾਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਗੋਲੜੀ ਦਾ
I'm so sorry, I didn't recognize
Sir,
you.
from
ਤੇ
June
ਗਵਰਨਰ
2021
ਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਟਸਲ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ 'ਚ
Yes, sir.
ਕੀ ਹੈ
Sorry, sir.
ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ
Sir, ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਹੀ ਪੜਿਆ
ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ
ਸੀ.
ਦੱਸ ਦਿਓ
Sorry, sir.
ਗਵਰਨਰ ਦੀਆਂ ਪਾਵਰਸ ਕੀ ਨੇ ਸੀਐਮ ਹਾਊ ਟੂ ਰੈਗੂਲੇਟ ਹਿਮ ਵਾਟ ਆਰ ਹਿਸ ਥੋੜਾ ਬ੍ਰਸ਼ ਅਪ ਕਰੋ ਕਰੰਟ ਅਫੇਅਰਸ ਦਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਬਾਰੇ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ
ਹਾਂਜੀ, sir.
ਕਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਬੋਲੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੋਲੀਆਂ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੇ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਡਾਇਲੈਕਟਸ ਨੇ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਏਰੀਆਜ਼
ਮਾਝੀ, ਮਲਵਈ, ਦੁਆਬੀ, ਪੋਠੋਹਾਰੀ, ਪੁਆਧੀ.
ਦੁਆਬਾ ਕਿਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ
ਸਰ, ਦੁਆਬਾ ਏਰੀਆ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਪਠਾਨਕੋਟ ਵਾਲੀ ਸਾਈਡ. ਹੁਸ਼ਿਆਰਪੁਰ, ਪਠਾਨਕੋਟ.
ਆਬ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ
ਸੌਰੀ ਸਰ,
ਆਬ
ਆਪ.
ਦੁਆਬ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਦੋ ਆਬ
ਹਾਂਜੀ, ਆਪ ਮਤਲਬ ਸਰ
Between two
ਰਿਵਰ.
rivers
ਰਿਵਰਸ.
area falls between two rivers
ਯੈਸ ਸਰ.
between Satluj and
ਐਂਡ ਬਿਆਸ.
not Pathankot
ਹੁਸ਼ਿਆਰਪੁਰ ਸਾਈਡ.
Nawa Shahar
Gurleen, you, in my view, you should be in the first 5 in interview.
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਸਰ.
You have scored 125 out of 150.
Thank
You are
you,
one
sir.
of our toppers.
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ
And you were so confident, so pleasant.
current affairs ਥੋੜਾ
ਹਾਂ।
ਚੀਫ ਜਸਟਿਸ ਪਤਾ ਕੌਣ ਨੇ ਸਾਡੇ
ਯੈਸ ਸਰ. ਡਾਕਟਰ ਸੌਰੀ ਸਰ, ਆਨਰੇਬਲ ਜਸਟਿਸ ਰਵੀ ਕਿਸ਼ਨ.
ਰਵੀ ਸ਼ੰਕਰ
ਰਵੀ ਸ਼ੰਕਰ.
ਹਾਂ ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਹੈਗੇ ਤੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਧਿਆਨ ਵੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਯਾਦ ਰੱਖਣਾ
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਸਰ.
when it was established high court
ਸਰ, ਬਾਈ 1913 ਚਾਰਟਰ, ਪੰਜਾਬ ਹਾਈ ਕੋਰਟ,
at which place
ਲਾਹੌਰ.
Which charter?
1913.
1913. Okay.
When was Punjab and Haryana High Court established?
1966.
What was the need?
So because at that time there was a reorganization and Haryana and Himachal got separated from the Punjab.
Himachal has separate High Court?
Yes, sir.
Where it is located?
At Shimla.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Gurleen, you will be topper.
Thank you, sir.
In
Thank you,
interview,
ma'am.
you will be in the first 5. लिख लो आज मेरे तो.